Today we're going to go over the operation of a typical fire alarm control unit. This is our small addressable offering, and a couple things I want to point out are all fire alarm panels are backed up by batteries, which are shown here, and there are inputs like the smoke detector and this pull station, and there are outputs like the strobe and this relay unit. Everything on this panel is supervised, so if I take the batteries, if I disconnect the batteries, you'll get an error. And it'll tell you that there's no battery in the system. If I hit the silence button, it will quiet that signal down, and then I can reconnect the batteries and the trouble will go away. Likewise, all of the wiring for the panel is supervised, so that if I pulled one of these wires off, it would also display a trouble. The standard sequence of operations for a system is very simple. You create an input like a pull station, and now the system is into alarm. So the strobe is active, and the system is now saying that it's in fire alarm. So the only way to clear that alarm is to go to the device and reset the switch, and then hit the reset button. And that clears the trouble. Also, as it's resetting, there are other diagnostics that the systems run. Since this is an addressable system, if I were to take the smoke detector out once it's done resetting, it would let me know exactly which smoke detector is missing, and I'll do that in a moment. Once it's done resetting, you can see it says, I don't know if you can see, but it says initializing, please wait. It's going through a diagnostic check. Almost done. Almost there. And once it's done resetting, then I can show you one other feature. There it says all systems normal. And if I take the smoke detector out of its base, it'll go into trouble again, and it'll match the address. I don't know if you can see that, but it'll match the address that's on this address dial, where this is address 03. It should come up and say pretty soon that detector 03 is missing. And it might not do that if it's not programmed into the system, which it might not be. There it is. Here it says invalid reply from detector D003. So that shows that that detector is missing. And that's really all there are to fire alarm systems. Thank you.